wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Belajar. So today's video is going to be about making pineapple tart or pineapple cookies. So here are the ingredients. We have 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we also have this 4 tablespoons of milk powder. The next thing is vanilla powder, and this one is the pineapple jam. We're going to see the steps how to make this later. And after that, we also have this soft sugar, like 200 grams. And this is actually the most important thing to make the pineapple cookies melting in your mouth. This is Wisman butter, and this is halal, by the way, so you don't have to be worried. And this is 6 egg yolk, only the yellow part. And this is 1 kg of high protein flour, and this is 400 grams of margarine. So here we have organic pineapple. This is actually quite big. If you have smaller one, then you will be needing 2 pineapples, but because this is big, so I only need 1 pineapple for 1 kg of flour. Well, to be frank, I didn't know how to properly peel this pineapple, and I found some difficulties.
12 seconds later.
But all I did was just to cut off the top and the bottom part of the pineapple. And after that, I tried to get rid of the skin in the body, like the whole skin. And I also make sure that all we have is the clean yellow part of the pineapple, and we also want to get rid of those dots. But one thing for sure, that the middle part of the pineapple is actually very nutritious, and we want that. We don't want to take it away. We want the middle part of it. And after this, after being cleaned, then we're going to wash it. Then we cut them small because we want to put it in the blender. Make sure that you don't blend it too soft or too rough, because we still want that fiber of the pineapple. So I do this like a few times because my blender is pretty small, so I have to do it little by little. So here are the ingredients for the pineapple jam. We have smoothened pineapple and also lemon water. And then this is a 1/4 kg of sugar and 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Then we're going to put the sugar and also the lime water, and then pour the smoothened pineapple from 1 piece of pineapple. And we also use the cinnamon, and don't forget this vanilla extract. You can use the powder or you can use the liquid. And then turn on the stove. Start with small heat and keep stirring. This might take quite a long time, but just be patient and keep stirring. When you find this texture, then it's not going to be long until the pineapple jam is ready. Just make sure to keep stirring so that the sugar will not be overcooked at the bottom of the pan. On a large bowl, put the Wismon butter and also the whole margarine. Then we mix them together. Make sure that you mix them pretty well. And right now I'm using the manual whisker. Okay, just make sure that no lumps. And after that, put the egg yolk little by little. While putting the egg yolk, don't forget to keep stirring, to keep mixing. Okay, after that, we add the sugar. Add it gradually. Just make sure that there's no lumps. Okay, and add the flour that has been mixed with the milk powder. As usual, we add it little by little while keep being mixed. Make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed well and don't let any lumps existed. So I'm using this spatula. Okay, just keep mixing and keep adding the flour gradually until all the flour is added into the mixture. Keep adding the flour until all the 1 kg flour is finished. And do not forget to put the vanilla powder into the mixture and let it mix well. And because it's getting thicker and harder to be mixed, I decided to use plastic in my hand and mix it with my hand. And oh yeah, don't forget to add the cornstarch. I added the cornstarch between the flour, and then we'll find this texture. This dough is ready to be shaped. You can make a small ball and flat it and fill them with the pineapple jam. So here is the small pineapple cookies that is ready to be burned, but before that we're going to apply some, what do you call it, liquid. So this is from 4 egg yolk, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and then 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Apply the mixture 2 to 4 times to the cookies for a better result during the 40 to 60 minutes of baking on a small fire. And inshallah you will get the shiny and the melting pineapple cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Assalamu'alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.